If you have trouble thinking of a fast food restaurant as anything but an indulgence, some of McDonald's healthy options might surprise you. If you're counting calories and need tasty food on the go, you can find some healthier options at McDonald's to keep you on track. Egg McMuffin. The Egg McMuffin was the first breakfast sandwich McDonald's put on their menu in 1972. The ingredients are simple. It includes one fresh egg, a circle of Canadian bacon, and a slice of American cheese sitting between buttered and toasted English muffin halves. The Egg McMuffin doesn't have any sauces or condiments, letting the melting cheese and the fried egg add a creamy texture. Overall, it's one of McDonald's healthy items and one of the best fast breakfast options available anywhere. Fruit and maple oatmeal. McDonald's fruit and maple oatmeal is a lower fat and sodium option than the Egg McMuffin for about the same number of calories. Apples, raisins, golden raisins, and cranberries with cream and brown sugar make McDonald's oatmeal textured, sweet, and creamy. At only 320 calories, this makes a great breakfast to kick off the day. Filet-O-Fish. It's hard to find a more simple and delicious sandwich than the Filet-O-Fish. The fish in these sandwiches comes from fisheries managed with sustainable practices that make me feel even better while eating them. They fry the fish patties until they're golden brown, then put them on a soft bun with half a slice of American cheese and tangy tartar sauce. At only 380 calories, the Filet-O-Fish is a healthy choice as a lunch or dinner sandwich, especially paired with vegetables or a salad. Apple slices. I got into the habit of always ordering fries with burgers and sandwiches, and I think many people do the same. If you're trying to eat healthier, dropping the regular French fries order is a good idea. Try apple slices instead. At only 15 calories for a snack-sized pouch, you'll save 205 calories and eliminate the 10 grams of fat a small order of fries contains. The slices are also a healthier dessert option than the baked apple pie. Apples are one of the McDonald's healthy items that's great for kids and can replace fries in their Happy Meals. Southwest Grilled Chicken Salad. McDonald's removed their Southwest Grilled Chicken Salad and all other salads from its menus in 2020 to respond to COVID. If the company knows whether the premium salads will return, they haven't announced it yet. This salad was one of the best McDonald's healthy items. Chopped, grilled chicken lightly seasoned with garlic powder, parsley, and salt sat on a bed of mixed greens like baby kale, spinach, and romaine. Other ingredients included carrots, corn, tomatoes, poblano peppers, black beans, cilantro, and shredded cheese. A sprinkle of chili lime tortilla strips topped it off and added a satisfying crunch. Artisan Grilled Chicken Sandwich. The Artisan Grilled Chicken Sandwich was another casualty of the pandemic that hasn't returned yet. I hope this and the other chicken sandwiches come back soon because they added variety to the menu. Instead of fried chicken, a seasoned and grilled chicken breast fillet with tomato, lettuce, and a light but creamy vinaigrette dressing sat between halves of a toasted artisan bun. This sandwich was an option for people who wanted a chicken sandwich with fewer calories and less fat than their deep-fried crispy chicken sandwiches. As one of McDonald's healthy items, this chicken sandwich had 360 calories and 6 grams of fat. Did we miss your favorite healthy McDonald's menu item? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to Restaurant Clicks for all our best restaurant picks.